Okay. All right, well, my name is David. I'm a photographer here in Bali, and with the recent development of the COVID tragedy and how it's changing the world, Bali has obviously lost all tourism, and 80% of this island, the economy is run off of that tourism. So currently we have close to 4 million people on this island, and the majority of them don't have work, and they are slowly losing things like their motorbike that they can't pay their loans on, or their homes that they can't pay their rent on. And it's been really unfortunate to see what the media has done and how social media is constantly showing so much negativity and people complaining and being so divided in so many ways that I felt inclined to try and make a positive change. So I decided to take one of my images that I've taken from my drone of the South Bali Peninsula and to donate it. Basically, I've asked for donations for the image, to gift the image out, and then use all the proceeds to go and purchase food and have it delivered to people that are currently in this economic crisis. And initially it started as just an idea and something small, but it quickly grew as I started purchasing food and delivering it directly to these families with the help of some local Balinese influential people that knew of families that were in need, as well as the Bali Life Foundation. That's an orphanage that also has other projects to help mothers and street kids, and they know of a lot of families that also need help. We've all collaborated, and the money has gone directly to make these purchases, load into my vehicle, and deliver these supplies to these families of food for 2 weeks on average. And thus far, in a matter of 6 days, we have over 70 donations, and every single day I'm connecting with more and more people that have leads to families that are in trouble right now. And so we're working diligently to constantly find these people and purchase these resources and get them over to them to help them during these times. Again, fortunately, we have so many generous donators from all over the world, and the money is basically all being handled by myself, and it's all being stockpiled in a sense, because this is not going to be something that's only going to last a few weeks. This could be months of tragic situations. And so on average, I've been spending approximately 5 million rupiah, which is a bit over $200 each day, which feeds about 15 families for 2 weeks. And we've done multiple deliveries with groups of families as well as to individual households of elderly. I now have some local friends that are taking food and bringing it to their villages in other parts of Bali, like Medewi, as well as the east and northeast. And so I'll continue to work together with these different individuals and meet new individuals as well as foundations to allocate all of this money to buy as much food as possible and help and relieve these people of this economic stress. So last week we came here to this small village. There's about 15 families that live here. Quite a few of them are taxi drivers that have absolutely no work anymore because of the tourism is gone. There's also people that used to work in hotels and villas, do cleaning services and whatnot, and they're all out of work. So we came here and we provided them 15 care packages, 2 weeks supply of food with rice, noodles, eggs, cooking oil, etc. These are some of the kids, part of the village here. Halo, apa kabar? Baik. Fortunately, this image speaks loud to many people because it's a beautiful image of Bali, and it has a certain level of nostalgia of people that have been to Bali and experienced the people, and they've always forever been changed from Bali and the people itself, and now they have the ability to give back. And during these times of so much negativity and hurt, we just need to spread positivity and come together and support each other and get through this, because in the end, this will actually just be temporary, but touching these people every day and helping them, that's a permanent thing for everybody that can just uplift the world with positivity. Thank you.